Hi Skin Games, my name is Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 4 of our open category. For this demo, I focused on microchanneling and how I supported the skin during and after this treatment using regenerative ingredients, hydration, and red light therapy. Microchanneling is one of the primary corrective treatments in this case study. It works by creating controlled microchannels in the skin, which initiate the body's natural wound healing response while also enhancing ingredient penetration. During this treatment, I used NeoGenesis Recovery Serum, which contains stem cell released molecules derived from human conditioned media, also known as S²RM technology. These signaling molecules support cellular communication and help guide fibroblasts during the healing process to encourage collagen synthesis and tissue regeneration. I also use NeoGenesis Glide Gel, which does not contain regenerative technology but does contain sodium hyaluronate. This ingredient helps maintain hydration and support the skin's moisture balance while microchannels are being created. Hydrated skin heals more efficiently and tolerates treatment better. One challenge I experienced during this session was performing microchanneling on my own abdomen in this seated position. Maintaining consistent depth, pressure, and control was more difficult than anticipated due to limited visibility and hand positioning. This was something I did not intentionally consider when planning this video. For my next treatment, I adjusted my setup and completed microchanneling standing in my bathroom, which proved to be much more feasible and efficient. This position allowed for a better angle, improved hand-eye coordination, and more consistent technique across the treatment area. I did not get a video of this, but I just wanted to mention that. Following microchanneling, I incorporated red light therapy for 20 minutes at 5 milliwatts and 50 hertz. This will increase ATP production, providing the energy needed for cellular repair and collagen synthesis. Microchanneling, regenerative signaling molecules, hydration support, along with red light therapy was a great approach to take when creating a controlled environment for healing and collagen remodeling. I'm looking forward to see what results will yield from this treatment, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.